Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Ma'am, I am fine. Ma'am, how are you? Ma'am, I am fine. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am,
Okay, now, are you all looking good today? Are you all looking good?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Oh, looking
Good
good.
morning, ma'am.
Let's see how are looking. Those who are looking bad, they are going to switch it off. Those who are looking good, they will keep their cameras on. Those who are sleeping on their beds and having bad hairs, so they will keep their cameras on off. Those who are looking good, those who are fine, they will keep their cameras on and they will show us that they are looking nice. Who is Vinod Meshram? Change your name, beta. Who is Vinod Meshram? Change your name. Oh, how many of you are looking good? Raise your hand. How many of you are looking good? Raise your hands. Okay, very good. Very good. Arhan, you are not looking good. Atria, you are not looking good. Raise your hand, those who are looking good. Okay. And Vashisht and Jasleen, they are not looking good. They are looking bad. है ना? Vashisht, Priya, are you using two phones, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you using two phones, Priya?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
For this class only, I take the phone.
All right, all right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you not looking good, Vashisht?
Am I looking good? Am
Then
I
why
doing
have
just
you
like
pushed?
this?
Then why have you? But your camera was off. I was not able to see you.
And I'm just joining the meeting because my mother is writing the points. Good morning, ma'am.
What points?
Important. Ma'am, on Palak, Palak ma'am has gave one exercise, so I written the point. I written it.
Gaurav, switch off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
So yesterday we have done skipping. Skipping in twos we have done, right? Skip in twos. है ना? So today we will start skip in tens. See here, I will show you. Raghav is sleeping. See, Raghav is sleeping. See.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, you done this work. Ma'am, please, my.
Nobody show
You
me.
do this.
No, Vashisht. No need. Not needed. Sit properly. Turn your camera back. Yes. Let's sit straight. we have done skip in twos. Today we will start with skip in tens. How do we skip in tens? Now look here, everyone. Wait. How do we skip in tens? Acha, I've given you a few questions. One question I've given you. Okay, once again I'm telling you, suppose the number is 2035 and you have to skip in tens. How will you, wait a second, let me spotlight myself.
Cannot do question B in
Beta,
a
I know very well, no need to tell me, but still I'm telling you. Here it is 35, so the next number will be 2045, 2055, like this. Okay, this is skipping in tens. By tens, we will change the position of 10. Okay, I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what we have not done. All right. Okay. All right. You were not able to do the second part.
Ma'am, from the same page or the new page?
बेटा आप सेम पेज से स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है? मैं न्यू पेज इसलिए लिखूंगी, नहीं सेम पेज. आपने क्वेश्चन 1 और क्वेश्चन 2 कर लिया होगा ऑलरेडी, क्वेश्चन 1 कर लिया होगा, बट आई विल स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रॉम द टॉप.
हमें हिंदी क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर तो सब कर लिया.
दिस इज, बेटा ये आप लिख चुके हो ऑलरेडी. ओके, नो नीड टू राइट इट अगेन. दिस यू हैव written already. Wait.
Ma'am, question number B.
Beta, wait for 2 minutes. Why are you in such a hurry? Write question B. This you have already written, right? Skip.
Ma'am, we will write 2 questions in it.
Tens and I know very well. So keep your mic off and start writing this. If you have already, if you have already written, no need to write it. Why are you repeating the same thing again and again? मैं दोबारा लिख रही हूँ. No need to write it again. That's it. If you have already written it, no issues. कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा मत लिखना. I'm writing it from the beginning. This one I told you, 2160. This one I told you. Now you will do the second one. Second one is 1940. Start from second one. 2000.
Ma'am, I done my second one.
All right, now the third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Start doing. First one I've already done in the previous class.
I have one book. And you can please wait for me. I am doing one book.
No, I can't wait.
Ma'am, it is question C. Because we have done question B. Skip counting text from 2010 to 2060.
What is your name? What is your name? Who told me this? Priya, again your camera is off. Are you sleeping, Priya? I think Priya is sleeping. Yes, we have done yesterday. So I'm writing again without asking because this we have done yesterday. First वाला तो हमने कल ही कर लिया था.
Ma'am, I do the third one also. Ma'am, you have not right 6810266870.
बेटा को मैंने दिया ही नहीं ऐसा कोई भी नंबर. आप अपनी मर्जी से बताओगे क्या? Those who are raising their hands, please keep your hands down. मतलब in the chat box. Aradhya, why are you not doing the work?
Ma'am, on 1949 will become 200.
No. Who? Athar Singh? What happened to you?
Ma'am, assist.
I'm not asking. नहीं मैं वो बोल रही थी बेटा. वशिष्ठ आपको नहीं बोल रही थी. I was saying he was making lines. Athar Singh, he was making lines.
Ma'am, I have done the work.
Send it.
Yes, ma'am, I am sending. हाँ ना मैं हैंडराइटिंग गंदी थी और पहले वाले सब मैंने आपको बताया था मीटिंग लिप हो गई थी वही मैम दोबारा करवा रही है
Jasleen, please keep your mic off. You always keep on talking. Jasleen, keep your mic off.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
yesterday I have free time, so that's why I have done coloring.
Oh, okay, Aryan. That's okay. In free time, you can do, okay? If you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
some free time, then you can do. If you don't have free time, suppose if I'm saying be quick, and then you don't, then you please don't delay the work, okay?
Ma'am, I have sent the work.
Okay, I will see myself. Just give me 2 minutes and let me take your attendance. Just give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
there are 3 questions only.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Arhan, please write the complete question number also. Arhan, write the question number also. Question A, question B.
Ma'am, I have done my work so I can
No.
decorate it.
Gayatri, please don't ask such questions. You know very well I'm not going to repeat this thing again and again, okay?
Ma'am, but we have done this.
what we have done. We have already done. मैं भी तो कह रही हूँ ये कर चुके हो, but आपने थोड़ा ही करा था. First question ही करा था, not the third, second and third one. Then do it.
Ma'am, I have done the second
No need to
and
tell. Okay, all right.
Ma'am, can I send it on the WhatsApp group?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, please explain me the no, ma'am. Ma'am, please. And 1990. Then the
1009. अब बेटा 90 के बाद क्या आता है वशिष्ठ? What comes after 90?
100.
So 1190 after 10 na 10th place पे. So this will be 1109 100 1100. After 90 it comes 100 na. Okay, understood Vashisht?
But
Nahi
ma'am,
hai?
it is written 1940 to 200.
Abhi I'm telling you. Abhi wait for 2 minutes. Abhi batati hu. Let them do this work. Abhi I'm telling you.
Ma'am, you have checked my work.
Better do this work. I'll check it afterwards.
Okay. Ma'am, can I off the mic?
Beta, it is Vashish, no need to ask such question. Keep your mic always off. This is not a question. Yes, everyone has to keep their mic off and video on. Okay, now I'm going to tell your answers. You will check the answers yourself. Okay, wait. See here. Okay, one by one I'm going to ask. Raghav, your video is off and your mic is on. It's opposite going on. All right. ठीक है. I will ask one by one. Aradhya, tell me the answer of the second one.
Ma'am, the second one answer is 1940.
Then
1950. 1960.
Very good.
1970.
Okay, very good.
1980.
Yes, good.
1990.
Yes, wait a minute, beta. Vashisht, you are facing problem here now.
Yes, ma'am.
See, 1990 के बाद if you add 10 to it, or you can say 990, 90 के बाद 100 आता है. 100 का 1 next 9 में carry होगा, फिर से 10 बन जाएगा वो. So it will become 2000. Okay, Vashisht?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, next. Prakhar, tell the answer of third one.
5,400. Ma'am, 5,400.
Gaurav, who asked you to speak? Gaurav, who asked you to speak? Keep your mic off, Gaurav. Let Prakhar speak.
5,000.
हाँ. 5,000. चलो, Vayun will tell me. Vayun.
5,490. 5,400. 500.
No, 400, 500 नहीं बेटा. 5,500.
5,500.
हाँ, very good. 490 plus 491 क्या हो गया अगर आप 10 ऐड करोगे? You will get 5,500. हाँ, सिस्टर.
5,510.
Very good.
5,520.
Good.
5,530.
Very nice.
5,540.
Okay.
5,550.
5,550. Check your answers, everyone, quickly.
Ma'am, my answers are correct.
Everyone, see your answers.
Ma'am, my answers are correct. Ma'am, my all answers are correct. Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes. You will say anything after ma'am? Yes or no? Ma'am के आगे कुछ बोलना है? Okay, now I'm going to start the next question. See the next question. What is there? Okay, so it's in the same book. You can start on the same page. You can start. Write question C here. Skip and count in instead of tens. You will write hundreds. Skip and count in hundreds and write the numbers from. Start doing this. Questions. Question C. Start doing question C. I'm changing the questions. Start doing question number C. It is
Ma'am, we have to do this skip in 100.
yes. Here you will change the 100 place. Okay, this is 6,000 है तो 6,100, 6,200 like this. We will change the only tens place.
Ma'am, in tens and in tens we exchange tens, and in this 100 we will change 100.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to in this we have to skip in 100.
What is written at the top? What is the question? Can you read the question? Can you read the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, your video is off. What is the reason for your video? These are
Ma'am,
four questions.
please
There are
explain it.
with the which one? Bayum, tell me which one. Vashish, sorry, Vishish, tell me which one.
Ma'am, first one
First one ही चाहिए बस.
you
Okay.
are telling, I am explain. You are telling that.
Okay, okay. Only the first one. आपको कौन सा difficult लग रहा है? आपको कौन सा difficult लग रहा है?
Ma'am, only first one. Ma'am,
Okay.
please
See,
explain
first will
this.
be 6,000. बेटा zero hundreds की place पे कौन सा number है? Which number is at the hundreds place? Summer, sit properly. Hundreds place पे which number is there?
Ma'am, 700.
नहीं बेटा, hundreds place पे there is zero. Zero के बाद आता है one. तो 6,200. 100 आया 6,200. 6,300. 6,400. 6,500. 6,600. 6,700, 6,800, 6,900, and the last will be 7,000. If it is not coming in one line, you can use the next line. Summer, do your work. Stop talking and do your work.
Ma'am, like this we have to do. Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Hmm.
like with this we have to do.
I can't see like this. It's not visible properly.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second question, we will write 2042. Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, beta, sorry, I was on mute. I thought I am. Yes, beta, wo 2042 hai. Correct, very good. And yes, somebody else was saying something. 2042. Yes, you have to write that in between. Okay. Shreya and Ayushi, tell me the second answer.
tell?
Huh? Both of you.
Ma'am, 1, 5, 2,
4 2.
4.
Speak 1542 like this. Speak like this.
Okay, ma'am. 1,642.
Very good. Next, Shreya.
1,742.
Very good. Next, Ayushi.
1,842.
52. 840. Yes, beta. Yes, sorry.
42.
Yes, yes, yes. Good. Next.
1,942.
Very good. Next.
2,100.
No, 2042.
2,042.
Next.
2,142.
Very good. Next.
2,242.
Very good. Next.
2,342.
Very good.
2,442.
Okay. 4,000. 2,400.
542.
Very good. And we get the answer here. See? Check your answers, everyone here. If it is not coming in 1 or 2 lines, you can use the next other lines. Okay.
Ma'am,
Priya?
please wait for me.
Priya, tell the third answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 3,750.
Pehle beta 3,650. Okay. Now
Okay,
you
ma'am.
speak.
3,750.
Very good.
3,850.
Very good.
3,950.
Very good. Ab see beta, see, everyone see in this question, she is also getting confused. Okay, देखो, here it is 39. 39 के बाद क्या आता है? ये 39 है. 39 के बाद क्या आता है?
Ma'am,
If you add
40.
100
Ma'am,
more,
40.
40, 4050. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, Triya. Chal, next one. Then what will be there, Triya?
4,150.
Okay. Then
4,250.
very nice.
4,350.
Very good. Then
4,400.
550. Acha, 400. Sorry, very good. 450.
Ma'am, then 4,550.
Very good. Okay. Siddhant. Siddhant,
Ma'am.
tell the next answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 900.
900.
Ma'am,
Then 900.
Ma'am, 1,000.
Okay, 1000. Yes. Next.
Ma'am, 1,100.
1100. Okay. Then
Ma'am, 1,200.
1200. Then
Ma'am, 1,300.
okay.
Ma'am, 1,400.
Yes.
1,500.
Very good.
1,600.
Good.
Ma'am, 1,700. 1,800. And 1,900.
Very good. Just do it quickly, everyone. Those who have not done it.
Ma'am, I'm not done. I'm doing the third.
Beta, do it.
Ma'am, I have sent the work.
No need to send.
I have done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I hope everyone is in D group. Okay, everyone join the D group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, B group join D group.
B में तो हो ही आप बेटा already, but join the D group also. In D group you will get all the work done every day. Once I'm sharing on your WhatsApp group also. फिर बेटा count in thousands will come. Just check your answers. So I'm not going to start because this period is going to be over. अच्छा बेटा, one more thing. Next class we are going to do one activity. Tomorrow we are going to do one activity. In that activity you will be ready with a matchstick or sticks, or you can say something like matchstick जैसे छोटी छोटी होती है ना, वैसे you can use the toothpicks also, but the used ones. You can use a waste material. We will do one activity tomorrow. In that activity we will write some numbers. Avika, please keep your hand down and listen to me carefully first. So tomorrow be ready one sheet of paper, any sheet of paper. Sheet of paper means art sheet you can take, take any A4 size sheet. Ma'am ये ले सकते हैं, nobody will ask me ma'am ये ले सकते हैं वो ले सकते हैं. Any sheet of paper you can
Can I
take.
send it?
No Bashish, look, listen to me carefully. Tomorrow we will perform one activity. Okay, so in that activity you will be ready with the matchsticks or sticks on one sheet of paper and colors. One sheet of paper and colors. Okay, we will do one maths activity tomorrow. And if you have matchstick at your home or some waste material at your home, so you will be ready with that. Like stick, something stick जैसे matchstick होती है, straw होता है, straw. You can use straw. अगर आपके घर में पुराने रखे हुए हैं तो. If it is not there, then no needed. Do not buy anything from the market. If you
Ma'am,
have
wax
any,
crayons.
huh?
Ma'am, we have to use wax crayons.
We will write. Listen to me carefully.
Ma'am, I have
Nobody will
done the
speak.
one.
First, I will speak.
Ma'am, I have done the one.
Okay, beta. Listen. You will be ready with the sheet of paper and colors tomorrow. And straw or matchstick if you have, then you can use it. If you don't have,
Ma'am,
then
which
no,
type
it
of
is not.
colors?
Any type of color the way you want, जिससे आप लिख लो sheet of paper पे, लिख लो. Draw नहीं करना है, लिखना है.
Ma'am,
Okay, I
we
will tell you
take
what you have to write. I will tell you tomorrow. बस
excuse
ड्रॉ
me,
करना
ma'am.
है शीट ऑफ पेपर पे. आपको ड्राइंग करते हो ना, बस अब ये मत पूछना ये वाला शीट ऑफ पेपर मैम वो वाली शीट. जैसे एक ड्राइंग करते हो वैसे कोई भी एक शीट ले सकते हो.
Excuse
ओके,
me, ma'am.
हाँ जसलीन बोलिए.
Ma'am, we will take a chart paper,
नो चार्ट
matchstick,
पेपर, only a sheet of paper. No, chart paper is very big. Chart paper is
Ma'am,
very big. You will take a small
find
size sheet of paper.
and toothpick color. Then what will we take?
जसलीन जितना बताया बेटा उतना कर लेना. कलर्स रेडी रख लेना और एक शीट ऑफ पेपर रेडी रख लेना. ठीक है, और मैचस्टिक या स्टिक्स वगैरह हो आपके घर पे तो बी रेडी विद देम. नहीं है तो इट्स ओके, इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी.
Ma'am, we will take a sketch colors.
And we can ready with
स्केच
glue.
ले लो. जसलीन एक काम करना, वाटर कलर ले लेना, वाटर कलर से पूरी कॉपी पे लिख लेना. ठीक है, ओके. वाटर कलर से लिख सकती हो बेटा. any type of color you are comfortable with, you can use any type of color. I'm not your drawing teacher. Whatever you want to use, you can use.